Welcome to part 72 of Learn Languages. Today's topic is collocations. A collocation is a pair of words that naturally go together. They just sound right together and wrong when you change them. The biggest collocation challenge involves 4 verbs: do, make, take, have. Let's start with do. Do collocates with work and activity. Do homework, do exercise, do the dishes, do business. I do yoga every morning. Now make collocates with creation and error. Make a mistake, make a decision, make money, make progress. She made a great impression at the interview. Now take a shower, take a photo, take a break, take responsibility. I need to take a few minutes to think. And have breakfast, have a look, have a meeting, have fun. Did you have a good time last night? The trick is that these verbs are not interchangeable. You can't make a shower or do a mistake. It's not about rules, it's about learning word partnerships. Here are a few more useful collocations. Heavy rain, not strong rain. Fast food, not quick food. Pay attention, not give attention. Catch a cold, not get cold, though people sometimes mix these. The best way to learn collocations is to read and listen. Notice them, collect them, use them. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.